I was just reaching out to everyone, any connection I could find. Back then, some people were, I wasn't as big on LinkedIn. I would basically do my, can't see me, but quote unquote, like creeping on LinkedIn, be like, okay, this person is from the West Coast. This person went to a state school, trying to find anything in our backgrounds that I could relate to, and then just guessing emails. I mean, hundreds of emails, hundreds of calls. I have like just memories of being like, on spring break with my friends and pulling aside to go take a call. And I did go on spring break, but other than that, I mean, I was very much in the zone. That junior year was just kind of like in the car, I'm listening to podcasts about banking, on my way to my finance class where I'm still sending emails, stepping outside of class to take calls. And then, eventually once I built up enough calls and meetings, I just came out to New York when I was, kind of at that time, where it was like, hey, I've met enough people over the phone. I need to get in front of them or nothing's going to happen.